Welcome to Roadrunner Air Conditioning, Heating and Plumbing, your go-to company for cooling and heating solutions in northern New Mexico. As a Mitsubishi Electric Diamond Elite contractor, we specialize in efficient Mitsubishi heat pump ductless mini splits, traditional train split systems, dual fuel units, and Lochinvar boilers. We also install standard and tankless water heaters. Mitsubishi's heat pumps are known for their reliability, quietness, efficiency, and excellent filtration, often earning Energy Star ratings and qualifying for tax credits. We help with tax credit documentation and utility rebates for P&M customers. Each Roadrunner air conditioning heat pump project starts with a thorough manual J-load calculation to determine the right BTUs for your needs, followed by an engineering analysis using Mitsubishi's Diamond System Builder software to ensure accurate component capacities. Mitsubishi's hyperheating heat pumps can handle the toughest New Mexico winters, providing full heating capacity down to 5 degrees and ensuring comfort even at minus 13 degrees. Choosing the right installer is crucial. As a Mitsubishi Diamond Elite contractor, we ensure proper installation and superior customer support. Why choose us? We offer Mitsubishi Electric's top-rated heat pump with a triple allergen filtration system for better indoor air quality. A fully licensed and insured team of experienced journeymen ensuring a friendly and tidy installation process. Call us at 505-473-9000 to schedule a free consultation and estimate or to schedule a repair.